Very special day because we are making the cheese. Behind me, the cheese master, I could say, is Said Bhai. He's doing the cheese, making the cheese over there. And we're making a lots of cheese. So let's check it out, how to make the cheese. It's quite complicated and it's an art, I think so. Okay, Arif Bhai is also joining with us. So let's see what's happening behind it. How many numbers, Arif Bhai?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
And each one 500 gram, okay? So this is the final product. Look at this, it's absolutely great. Here's the assistant member, the master students Mamun Bhai. Here's the Arif Bhai. And look at that over there, Ratan Bhai, Zedalong. Yeah, he's quite dedicated. And our master chef, I could say, Said Bhai. Look at this, it's absolutely great.